Video number 12. How to use and understand GMB Insights better. One of the best tools that come with a Google My Business GMB listing is Insights. GMB Insights give you a behind-the-scenes look at how your customers interact with your GMB listings. Let's understand them better. How customers search for your business. One of the first data points GMB Insights offers is how customers search for your business. Are customers using a direct search or a discovery search to find your listing? These views are just impressions, meaning they either clicked into your listing from the Google 3-pack or saw your listing in the Knowledge panel, either as a branded search or a single result from a non-branded search. 1. Direct search. A direct search refers to a search made by using either your business name or location. These types of searches are usually from people already familiar with your business, or they heard about it from another form of advertising. 2. Discovery and branded search. Discovery. Impressions from a discovery search refer to generic searches like restaurant near me or dress shop open now. Branded search. A branded search is when a consumer finds your listing for a brand related to your business. Where customers view your business on Google. This graph gives business owners insights into whether their customers are coming from a traditional Google search or a search on Google Maps. High traffic from Google Maps means that customers are most likely looking for your business on their mobile device. Customer actions. The customer action graph gives you an overview of the actions customers took on your GMB listing. This graph is broken down into action type. You can then look at each action further in breakout charts. Types of actions: visits to website, direction requests, phone calls, messaging, chat. Direction requests. This data is the number of times someone requested directions to your business location. The data displayed here is probably some of the most valuable information for a local business because the requests are broken down by zip code, city, or state. You can use this information to better target your ads to a specific region. You can also use driving direction requests to determine things like projected sales from traffic to GMB listings. To do this, you need to determine the percentage of people who click the driving directions and make it to the business. You can determine a number that works best for your business. Around 70% would be safe. After determining these numbers, you can use the formula below to calculate your projected sales from people who find you on your GMB listing. Phone calls. Phone call actions are how many times a customer called your business through your GMB listing. The total calls graph helps to show the time of day or day of the week customers call your business most. This information is great for knowing when people are looking at your listings most, and you can target those times with ads or social posts. Messaging actions. If you have the messaging action enabled, you can now see insights on messaging. If you're not seeing this information in your Insights dashboard, you need to turn on GMB messaging first. Photo views. This shows how many times your photos were viewed. Google counts a view as any photos that were seen in the Knowledge panel, impressions, or clicked by a customer. Photo quantity. Here you can see how many photos you uploaded compared to how many photos your customers uploaded. If your customers are uploading more photos than you, it's probably a good idea to review those photos and make sure they're an accurate representation of your business. Popular times. Here you can find a breakdown of when your business gets the most foot traffic. This information is gathered from tracking location data on people's phones, similar to how Google tracks driving traffic. Take advantage of this information and use it to schedule posts around these times. Search queries. In this section, you can find the most popular keywords used to find your local business listing. This information is extremely useful for creating better Google posts and ads. What is your business known for? This section breaks down popular terms used by customers in your reviews. By pulling the sentiment from reviews, Google shares how customers feel about your business. Example: cozy, quiet, relaxing. Limitations to GMB Insights. Although GMB Insights have a ton of great data for business owners, it does come with some limitations. The first limitation is the history of the data provided. The data presented doesn't go past 90 days, and some insights are limited to just 1 month. This makes it difficult to get a good feel of how you're improving over time and can cause misleading results. Limitations to GMB Insights. Another issue is if you have a business with multiple locations, you have to download the data to see how each location is doing. Instead of looking at interactive graphics, you're now comparing locations in a spreadsheet, which takes more time and effort to evaluate. GMB Insights are a great way to learn the behaviors of your customers and make improvements based on your findings. If you're looking at your insights and you're not happy with the results you're seeing, you need to improve your local SEO strategy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.